Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Beauty in the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on the video. And if you are not new, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of our little community that we are creating. I really do appreciate all of you who are watching. And please know I do not say that lightly at all. I really do appreciate you all. Today, this morning, I was scrambled really to film this video because Tiny Marvels is here. It was supposed to be here last night and I waited and waited and I'm like, oh my God, like I'm gonna have to film something else. So I was getting ready to figure something else out for today and it came. So if you're interested in seeing a review of the Tiny Marvels collaboration between Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments in the comments section. Let me know what you think about this palette. I'm sure you already know how I feel about my face. So I don't even want to draw this out really long, but when I first started looking at makeup tutorials, which was about a year ago at this time, Mel Thompson was literally the first person I randomly came across. I really didn't know about anybody at all. I have been following her for about a year now, and I like her reviews because she's very thorough. And I remember like listening to her for every step in her eyeshadow process. She would mention what brush it was, what number it was, and I was like, oh, what is the big deal about these brushes? So obviously, you know, I had a lot to learn because brushes do make a huge difference. But anyway, I would say the majority of what I've learned probably has come from Mel Thompson. So when I found out she was coming out with her own palette, I was definitely gonna get it just to support her and just, I mean, not that she knows me, but I knew it was gonna be a good one based off of everything that I've seen. So Mel Thompson, if for some reason you come across my little video here, just know I'm a huge fan. I think that your technique is amazing and I'm happy for you. This is really well deserved, and yes, I look forward to more. The palette is called Tiny Marvels. The reason that it's called that is because Mel Thompson loves little creatures. She loves little creepy crawlies, and this whole palette was really inspired by her tattoos. In fact, her tattoo artist is the one that designed the cover, so I'm assuming this is her hand holding the creatures. Mel Thompson has a ton of tattoos, and she's explained many of them on her channel, but she's got bugs and ladybugs and all kinds of things all over her body. So it makes perfect sense that her palette would resemble something that is such a part of her and near and dear to her. And she really, really loves her tattoos and she loves her bugs. So let's look at it. So if you look at the inside, you've got 15 shades. I do feel like the size of these shades are bigger than in your typical eyeshadow palette. And I really, really like the color scheme here because I just feel like there's so many different looks that you can make. And initially when I looked at it, I was thinking, oh, this looks more like springy, but as I continue to look at it a little more and look at reviews, I just feel like you can use this all year long, especially when you have these deep colors here, like these deep mattes. Now, all of the colors are new to Sydney Grace, except this one. This is a pre-existing shade, and this is a duochrome, and it's a very unique color. It's like a I don't know, like a brownish, reddish, greenish, shifty little color. I also like that she named all of the shades after bugs. So they have cute little names. Like this one is called Fire Butts, and you'll see when I do the swatches. She actually named this gold shade BB for her best friend, who is another YouTuber that I love, Kelsey Brianna J. So I thought that was really cute. I really do like to go into the reasoning behind creations and the names behind the shade names, because for me, it just makes me appreciate the creation that much more. And overall, I'm just so happy to have this. This palette has a shelf life of 18 months, so I will be using this indoors. Currently, the palette is on back order on the Sydney Grace website. That's the only place that you can buy it, but it does retail for $52. And yes, it is amazing. And here's Mel. She's awesome. So I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Let's get into the swatches and today's look, and then I'll be back.
Listen to them, just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Don't be afraid, be strong, you're not. Deep breath and realize, trust in yourself. I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well. You're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. It's right
All right, so my final thoughts, I'm sure you know, I think this is amazing. I think that it was thoughtfully done. I like all of the shades, and I just don't have a single bad thing to say about this at all. This is something I'm definitely going to use, and you know, It's one thing when you have makeup or eyeshadow palette that you know you're gonna use, but it's another thing when you have an eyeshadow palette that is inspiring. And that's how I feel when I look at this palette. I feel inspired. I feel like I want to create something new. It's weird because it's one of those things where you can be creative with it, but you can also do a basic look with this. So especially because she incorporated the mattes that she did, and it's so earthy. You know, this is just my color scheme, you know? So I'm happy. I don't really know what else to say. I really like it. And I do want to mention that I am giving one of these away. Now, I announced the giveaway on Sunday's video, the Chantecaille video. So the rules are in that video, and the specific comment that you have to leave it on that video. And then on Sunday, I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with some of my other friends with this palette where I will announce the winner of the giveaway. And that was just to celebrate my 200 subscriber milestone, just to say thank you, because, you know, I didn't know how this channel was gonna do. I know it's still really small, but I love it. So I wanna say thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate you giving a little bit of your time to me to hang out. And just know you're doing the damn thing every single day that you're here, and just keep on talking to yourself nice and, you know, tooting your own horn, because I mean, you've got to do it, guys. You've got to do it, because if you don't, nobody else will. So please continue with the positive affirmations, all that good stuff, and we'll connect in the next video. Bye.